Hey everyone, it's Marin with Craft Express, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a tumbler using the Craft Express Pink Elite Pro tumbler press in less than 60 seconds. Start by wrapping your printed design around your tumbler and adhering it using heat-resistant tape. Next, use the knobs on the back of your press to adjust it to a medium pressure. Press the set button on the LED screen and then the up and down arrows to set your temperature. Press the set button again and then the up and down arrows to set your time. Press the set button one last time to lock in your settings. We will be setting our press to 385 degrees for 60 seconds. Slide your tumbler into the machine and close it for 60 seconds. When your timer goes off, open your press, rotate your tumbler about 90 degrees, and close it again for another 60 seconds. Once finished, take out your tumbler and quickly remove your transfer sheet to reveal your finished product. The Craft Express Pink Elite Pro Tumbler Press is now on sale for $174.99. Happy crafting!